Hi everyone, Nathan here from the ebookreader.com. For this video I'm going to show you how to do some advanced things on a rooted Nook Touch, how to get set up with the market search, and how to set up a decent web browser. So the last video I did was showing you how to root the Nook Touch and just some of the apps on it. So this one is going to kind of show you how to get started. You probably got something that looks a little bit like this. You can go into your app launcher here and launch the button savior. If you want to change your buttons, you can see that mine, just hit no when that launches. You can see that mine's got a different layout than the standard layout. You can come in here and change how those look by changing the theme. There's some different looks. And you can also change if you want to put that down at the bottom of the page. You can put it, you can put it on the bottom as well as the sides. So that's how you change this little guy, and then you can obviously close it like so. So another thing that I did is I went ahead and installed a different launcher through the web Google Market here. So I got the Launcher Pro going instead of the other one. It just kind of got a different layout, a little bit cleaner layout. So what you want to first do once you get this thing set up with the Android Market and everything is go into Market. So the search function, it doesn't work, but you can still use the buttons to scroll around, and the best thing to do is just to go over to apps. Then you can break it down to categories. So if you wanted to get some book apps, all you got to do is go in here and then hit top free or whatever, and then you can scroll around and find most of the e-reading apps pretty quickly on here. But to get the web browser like I was talking about, because the web browser, the stock web browser, it's pretty awful. So you want to, first thing is get a new web browser so you can install stuff easier. So go to communications, hit top free, and then you can scroll down here. There's the Opera mini web browser and the Opera mobile web browser. I installed the Opera mobile web browser using the Amazon App Store. I really don't know what the difference between the two are, but if you install either of those, you should get a lot better web browsing experience. Okay, so once you have the Opera browser installed, go ahead and launch it. Then go up here to the Google search and type in search market. One word is search market, then space, and then app. It's kind of annoying, you gotta close that thing to hit the P. Search market app, then hit search. Okay, so this is what you gotta do next. It will show you automatically for search market as two words. So you gotta hit here where it says search instead for search market app is one word. And then the first listing will be App Brain, the search market app. Click on that, and then it will launch this. Okay, so what you got to do here is hit the QR and more right here, and it will pop up this little listing here. You got to scroll down a little bit, and then click Install. So that will open up the actual Android Market for the Search Market app, which it actually shows the description for. So then install the Search Market app. I already have it installed. And then once you have that installed, you can use the search feature on the Google Market. So it'll be in your app drawer initially. You'll have to scroll down here to the S's. Search Market right there. So I've already got it on home page right here. So if you hit that, then you can run searches in Google Market and you can find stuff a lot easier than doing the scrolling that the otherwise works. The only thing that I've noticed is it doesn't scroll when you use the search market app. So you just you got the first page, so you got to kind of have an idea of what you're searching for, because there doesn't seem to be any way to make it to scroll in the search bar. But then once you do that, then you can install the apps a lot easier. That's a lot easier finding the apps to get going with the Android Market. Okay, so if you get set up and you get some apps on here and you want to uninstall the apps, so I have Launcher Pro going. I'm not entirely certain if this will work with the other launcher, but if you just have something on your home menu and you hold it down on the delete icon down there, you can actually prompt you to uninstall the application that way. So that's the quickest way to uninstall an application. The other way is you go into your app drawer and you launch the... You don't go to settings because it's just the truncated version of the settings. You actually go to the Nook Color Tools, and then you go to All Settings, and then applications, or do we have manage applications? I guess it's on the next page. I guess I missed it here. Manage applications, there it is. So then you just go into the manage applications. If you want to uninstall something, tap on it, and then it'll bring up the menu to uninstall the application. So that's how you uninstall stuff on the rooted Nook Touch. Okay, just a couple of other details. I got most of these apps working. These actually all seem to work pretty well. I've tried them all. So I'll probably do some different videos for these. I've already shown the Kindle and the Valdico app in the other video. I'll probably do an ultimate e-reading apps tour where I'll go through all these e-reading apps for a different video. But if you want to add, obviously it's just the same stuff. If you're new to Android, you can add new icons to your home screens just by holding down on them and putting them on here. And obviously you can drag them around to different locations. And see, I got these news widget and this weather widget up here, so you can add those just by holding down, and then you can add widgets. Just like the regular old Android on any device, you can set up different icons, different widgets. There's like email widgets and calendar widgets, all that kind of stuff. So basically that's how you get started with the Android on the Rooted Nook Touch. So I'll have a written review where I explain this a little bit more, and I will also have a list. I'm going to put together a list this morning of all the working apps I've got working on the Nook and some of the working apps that other people have got working on the Nook. So check that out. That'll be on the ebookreader.com. Thank you for watching.